and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of our St. Lucia day trip. We just left the Sulphur Springs and so we are now continuing. We are at the waterfall. Oh my god, this waterfall looks so amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. So what happens is you go and you get the sulfur and you rub it all over your body and you nestle in the water and you let it soak in, right, for all the rejuvenation. And then you come to the waterfall and you rinse it off in the natural mineral springs. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. So let's go do that. Let's get this stuff off. Let's just hang out. Let's feel the pressure of everything. I'm so excited. Let's go. It is so cool. It's like almost torrential. I don't even know if you can hear me. Hey guys, so it is pouring behind me. So we cut our waterfall trip just a little short, not because of the rain, but because we've got some other things that we want to try to squeeze into our trip here. They call it a power shower, is what the locals call it here, and it was so amazing. It was so amazing. Literally the pressure coming down on your head, you would think that it would hurt, but it felt so good. And then on your back, oh my gosh, it felt like such a massage. I had such a good time, and I'm so glad that I got to show you guys a little bit of St. Lucia. Until next time.